man, Farmer Nappy, is here with us today, and I am doing this dish for him. So I've been wanting Farmer on the show for a long time, so he's here. 2021 is here, and we're rolling out a recipe that I think for Old Year's into New Year's is a little twist. I like to do a little twist on traditional. So oil dung, everybody in the Caribbean love oil dung, different types of oil dung, different ways of doing it. And then black-eyed peas is something that Old Year's into New Year's in every Caribbean home. Yeah, black-eyed peas. So I'm not using breadfruit. I am doing a provision and black-eyed peas oil dung. I really hope Nappy likes it. So let's get started. I'm starting with some smoked bones and pigtail. And I really starting because I like to get the pigtail and the smoked bones flavor in my oil. So I start by rendering a few pieces of pigtail. I'm also going to throw in the garlic right away in there. You could do it, you could grate it up after, but just when you throw that garlic in there, what I like to do with it as well is give it a little smash. So it, you release some of the oils and some of the flavor just a little bit. Leave that just for a couple minutes, and the garlic starts to get nice and brown and toasty. I don't like it to burn in there, but you really just want to get some of that garlic flavor, and then the magic starts. So I'm starting. My onions. Once the onions go in there and start to do its thing, pimento pepper. Anybody who know oil dung know that pimento peppers is a must. And you start to smell the aromatics. At this stage, because the pigtail has such wonderful salty flavor, I'm just going to use a little black pepper. I like to season in layers, not touching the salt yet, because I want the things to come together, and then I'll know if I need to re-season at the end. Because there's a lot of flavor in this oil already with the garlic and the pigtail doing this thing. So I'm ready for my liquid. So I have about 4 cups of coconut milk. You could use the can. What I like to do with this, I have about a 1/4 cup of stock that I just pour, only because I really want all that coconut flavor. So I pour it into the coconut milk. I give it a little swirl. And add just about a 1/4 cup of stock in there. This will quickly come to a boil. Mix that in together. And while that's coming up to a boil, I'm going to start adding my provision. So I have some sweet potato. I have dasheen. You see my bite-sized pieces, guys. I want big bite-sized pieces because this is going to get nice and chunky. And I have some eddoes. So you really just want to make sure that the pan has enough ingredients, cover down, and leave for 20 minutes. Let it come together. After about 20 minutes, you add your black-eyed peas, and I have some fresh spinach that you could also add in there. Mix up, leave for another 5 minutes or so. And then you get this guy here that I have been keeping nice and warm. This is heaven when it comes to oil dung. Provision oil dung with some black-eyed peas. I hope not become hungry. So just to finish it off, guys, I have some fresh thyme leaves. I just want to just get right over there. Just for a little garnish, fresh thyme leaves. And I am so happy to serve this up. The man they call Farmer Nappy, hooking man. Thing like big people party. Technically, a host of collaborations. He has been one of the most consistent artists over the last decade. Please welcome Farmer Nappy. My brother.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I'm gonna pull a chair.
Go straight to the kitchen.
Yeah, I ain't bring it to cook, I bring it to eat.
Grab a spoon and then start eating, you hear me?
You tell me you're a oil dung man.
Yeah.
And you're not shaming in the kitchen at all.
Nah, I could cook.
You could cook, you could bubble a thing. Yeah. So I'm a little more nervous, so I wait to first just sample my thing and tell me what you think.
But before you sample, right?
But that's what we're laughing.
You just have to give.
You have to give thanks.
Yeah,
must give thanks. Must give thanks.
Right. I want this side.
You want that side first? I would think that one. I would think that one. Man from
Saturday, taste it twice.
Yeah.
Well put together.
Thank you very much, my brother. How you doing?
All right, just
You all right? 3 bites mean I'm in business.
you're good to go.
I'm good to go. You can get the recipe on Couple Joe Caribbean, a little twist on the traditional.
And water with
with a little cucumber to fix you up nice there, a little cucumber water together. Farmer, talk to me, boy. This year has been what a year. I mean, when you look back at 2020, it's been all a blur, but for artists, I know it's been a challenging year.
very much. But this is God work.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what I mean? We just have to live with it. We had to learn how to live with this. You know what I mean? We had to find out the means how to make money. You understand? We still had to release songs for our fans. Right? Because look, we're into 2021 now.
Yeah.
January, carnival season. You know what I mean? We had to find a way how to work this out to make artists perform still.
Yeah.
So, you know, we ain't know yet, but let us sit down and let us find a solution.
Yeah. I mean, when the no carnival announcement came, I'm sure it would have kind of.
It bothered me.
Yeah,
It bothered me the no carnival, but at the same time, you have to release music. But it's harder for us now because we would normally release a song and then go and do video. But right now, to me, video is more important than releasing a song on the radio.
Yeah.
So visible is more important too. So it double up for us in terms of paying for it, paying to produce a song. Now we have to do a video right away. Don't wait on a video because instead, yeah, we'll have the song released here. Yes, we will get airplay, but the video now will be worldwide where everybody can see it.
Yeah. So now we'll go straight into backyard jam because why I say that backyard bacchanal.
Yeah.
Why I said that is that I actually saw the video first.
Yeah.
I saw the video and then the song.
Yeah.
Because the video was just drones, it was just nice
Yeah.
kicks, and I saw the video and I fell in love one time.
Thank you very much.
That one came timely.
Well, the guys and them send me this song. I have other songs to release.
Yeah.
And as I say, I have to do a video before I release any songs.
Right.
So I was about to go and release, you know, everybody knew Farmer for the love thing and the relationship songs.
Right.
I was going to do a video. And Mikey Holzmeyer's out of the Red Boys say, look, I send you a song. Listen it. If you like it, go and record this now. Forget the other videos for the meanwhile and do a video for this first because this song to me is a monster.
Yeah,
that's what you tell me, right?
Yeah.
I listen it. I feel the same way we feel. I went by Kyle Phillips, you know, Kenny Phillipson, record the song. Come in my neighborhood, my hairdresser, her brother. Hey, video, what we gonna do? Listen to the song Backyard Jam. Well, okay, let us do it like a Brooklyn thing with a barbecue, a little lime in the yard, whatever. So the neighbors came together with me and we did it.
Yeah. I mean, when you heard that song, I think that would have the stars aligned there one time because
the liveness.
Yeah.
You see, Red Boys is live, and you know what I mean. The live music is organic.
Yeah.
You know what I mean. So I see now, boy, I had to go on this.
Yeah.
So this is the result of it, and I'm very happy because this is a project where normally farmer owns his masters.
Right.
I don't own the song. Right. The writer of the song writes 5-6 years ago for me, My House. Like Shav.
Right.
Nadia Batson have been writing only relationship songs now. So after 6 years, Shav bring the song for me. Red Boys and Shav in collaboration with production, so they own it. But I have been owning all my stuff, so it's a pleasure for me to be the jockey and the host now.
Hey.
On the other side, give them the credit, they own it. Let me take all the horse and ride the horse now.
The only problem I tell you with that song is that it brings up some feelings. Christmas in the carnival there that
the Prime Minister had to behave himself
and
open up.
Prime Minister had to behave?
He had to behave himself and open up and give us the bubble. Go back into the NBA, right? Go back into the same CPL that they had the cricket where all the players was in Hilton. Put people in Hilton, test for COVID, put them in the balcony and put us down by the tennis court, let us sing for the audience. Put us in a bubble, just like the NBA and the CPL. They can do it.
You're still calling for a carnival
They
2021?
have to have a carnival 2021. We don't want no road. We respect the road, But give us the backyards. Give us 100, 200 people. Let us try out these things. We have to live with it. The Prime Minister has to start a wake up and smell like coffee right now.
Farmer Nappy in the building. Farmer Nappy in the building. We are coming right back after this. More from Farmer Nappy. We take him back a little bit, back in the ecstatic days as he came through and developed as a solo artist. Farmer Nappy eating more provision and black eyed peas
nice.
oil down.
Real nice. It's a good thing I come here and I ate for the day. That was perfect. When you want me to come back?